In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an animated banner to your Google site. This is a great way to make your site more engaging and visually appealing. Let's dive right in. First, you're going to want to head over to your Google site. If you haven't already, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Sites. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your Google account, as this is essential for accessing and customizing your site. Now that you've arrived at your Google site, it's time to add some animation to really bring it to life. To do this, we're going to utilize Canva, a fantastic online design tool that's both versatile and user-friendly. Open Canva in a new tab and log into your account. If you don't already have an account, it's free and easy to set up, so don't worry. Once you're logged into Canva, search for animated banner templates or simply start creating one from scratch. You can customize your animation with different colors, text, and images to fit the theme and style of your Google site. Canva offers a wide variety of design elements, so feel free to explore and experiment until you have something that you're happy with. With your animated banner ready, it's time to download it. To ensure that your animation works properly on your Google site, you'll want to download it in the GIF format. GIFs allow for simple animations to be displayed easily across the web without the need for any plugins or additional software. In Canva, locate the download button, usually found in the top right corner. Click on it and select GIF as your format. Once it's downloaded, you now have your animated creation ready for upload. Return to your Google site, and with your site editor open, look for the area where you'd like to insert your animated banner. Once you're there, find and click on the Images option, which allows you to upload new visuals to your site. You should see an Upload button. Click it, and a file dialog window will open. Navigate to where you saved your GIF file, select it, and click Open. With your animated banner uploaded to your Google site, it should now appear in the location you selected earlier. Take a moment to admire your work, and if you need to make any adjustments, such as resizing or repositioning the banner, go ahead and do it now. Your site has a fresh, dynamic look thanks to this animated addition. And that's it. You're done. You've successfully enhanced your Google site with an animated banner using Canva. Your site is now more eye-catching and interactive, providing a more engaging experience for your visitors. Keep exploring different designs and features to further enhance your site. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.